You see, my name is Tick, and I live with my two brothers, Tack and Toe. One day, not too long ago, we were just three little pigs living quite happily by a river until my brother decided to go grocery shopping. Being pigs are craving like pies, and they're heard there's a sale on Northridge Mud at the grocery store. So Tack and Toe left the house to get groceries. Now Tick was to stay at home and getting the kitchen ready. And when my brothers went back to our house, they made a discovery that starts our story. Do you believe the checkout line at the Grab and Pay? I thought we were never going to get out of there.
No kidding. No kidding. And did you see that sale on Punch Out? Yeah. Let's get this to Tick so he can start baking.
Good.
Tick! We've got the mud!
Hey, Tick, we brought you your favorite ice cream. Stupendous pigsty with extra crumbs.
You see, what they didn't know was that I wasn't home then. He wasn't me. He's not here.
Oh no, do you think?
The big bad wolf has him. Well, my two brothers hurried off to find me, worried I had been kidnapped by the wolf. That's when the real fun begins. We came to the enchanted forest, a place that even wolves like to visit. But desperate to find me, they went anywhere. For hours they looked, and just about the time they thought they were too tired to go on, they found a gingerbread house. Hey, do I smell
Gingerbread yum. I love the chocolatey trimmer on the windows.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Yeah, this is about where we eat the house.
You wouldn't have to be Hansel, would you?
Yes, I am. Are you Gretel?
Yes, I am. Have either of you seen a pig about so high?
We think he's been taken by a big bad wolf to be made into dinner.
Oh no!
Hansel and Gretel, come in, my dears. I've been expecting you.
Wait, stop!
I read this book. Don't go with her. She's really a witch.
Are you hungry? Well, I was just about to serve some ham dinners. Now get out. Well, the two brothers searched the entire forest without any luck until at last, just as it was getting dark, they left the forest and found themselves in a small town.
And you noticed that no one was around. All the houses looked empty, and the only light at all was coming from the castle on the edge of town.
Carefully, the pigs made their way to the castle.
When they walked right into the middle of a festival.
Look at the food.
Not now. We have to find Tick. Excuse me, have you seen?
Dong!
Oh no, it's midnight. I have to go before I turn in. Oh, never mind.
Hey, you dropped this.
No, it's supposed to stay there. You're going to ruin the story.
Wait.
Have you seen our brother?
He's been taken by a big bad wolf.
A wolf? Oh my, let's find that girl protector. Wait, you lost your shoe and there's a wolf out there. gone as far as they could and knew it was time to go back home. The house of the three little pigs. By the time Ted and Till got home, it was the next morning. And when they walked into that little brick house, feeling sad, tired, and lonely, they were in for a huge surprise. Because Tick and I were waiting for them in the kitchen. Tick! It's the wolf! Get away from Tick, you ugly bag of bones! What are you doing? Where have you been? I've been very sick about you two. Didn't you read my note? No! Yes, the note, the one that says Tick is helping me fix my flat tire and directions for where we are so you can find us and not to worry. Oh! Mark's car broke down on Sierra right after you two left, and I took him to the station to get a new tire. You didn't think I ate Tick, did you? Well, this guy's a vegetarian, and while we were waiting for you, he showed me how to make the best spinach pie. Here, try some. Gee, thanks. So there, you have it. Story of the two little pigs. And of course you know how it ends. Everyone was happily ever after.
You did a great job. Sneezy. Snow White.
You did a great job.
Beautiful. You did a fabulous job. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, Cinderella and one of the woodsmen. And who's back there? Oh, is that Gretel? Beautiful. The woodsman back there. Great.